Hey guys, if you're watching this video, it most likely means you're looking for a quick way to find a job in the IT industry. And when I say quick, I do mean quick. Now you could of course get started by taking an online programming course, which might take you anywhere from 6 months up to a year to complete, but in the end you might still be confused on whether or not you're good enough to start applying to different companies or going to interviews. Another alternative is to apply for different entry-level jobs such as customer support or technical support in large IT organizations. But these jobs usually pay less and have very little career growth opportunity further down the line. Now this course is designed to land you on a well-paying entry-level IT job with great career perspectives in as little as 2 months, sometimes even less than that. We're going to be learning software testing together, and I'm very confident that with the right mindset we can get you started knocking on your potential employer's doors in no time. Now, to be clear, there is a large number of software testing courses out there which will teach you everything there is related to software testing from A to Z. But my aim in this course is not to teach you everything there is, because I think you can learn that while you're already employed and are getting paid. My aim in this course is to give you just enough to be able to apply for your first job, nail the interview and get employed, even if there's things that you will have to be learning later while you're already employed as a software tester. Throughout my last years, I have helped a lot of people with this exact same goal, and I'm very confident that I can help you as well through this online video tutorial series. Now, if you're interested, please subscribe to the channel so you get notified about the future videos that I will be posting, and let's get this started.